Students, today we are going to discuss some basic terms or keywords related to office organization and management. And I think if you know all these statements or principles properly, then you will be able to answer your paper on office organization and management effectively. So let us start our class today. This is question answer class, and actually you have to answer these questions answers, and there are some statements you have to state whether these statements are true or false. The first question is, office form is a piece of paper. It is true or false? It is true. Again, formal organization is a type of organization. Formal organization is a type of organization. Formal organization, it is formal organization is formal organization. It is not a type of organization. Hence, the statement is false. Office accommodation is a paperwork. False. Filing is an element of physical work environment. It is also false. Management is necessary for running a business. It is true. Alphabetical is one important classification of files. True. Office work is a paperwork. It is true. Office work is unproductive clerical work. It is not true. It is false. Furniture is necessary in an office. True. Xerox machine is a duplicating machine. True. Sender is an important element in communication process. True.
Third.
Informal organization is a type of organization. False. Grapevine is an informal channel of communication. It is true. Effective physical work environment is essential for productive office work. It is true. Receiving and giving information is the primary function of an office. True. Indexing is not important for record management. True. Office layout and office accommodation are same. False. Ventilation and lighting are essential for physical work environment. True. Line and staff organization are two important types of organization. True. Delegation of authority is an important element in office organization. True. Property insurance is the lifeblood of any business organization. False. Office layout is not essential for efficient workflow. False. Stationary control is one of the basic functions of stationary controller. Yes, true. Built-in furniture is vital for top managerial personnel. It is false. Filing and indexing are one and the same. It is false. So, now another type of questions, you have to choose the right option. You have two options. You are giving two options, so you have to choose the right option. The first one is dash office form / form control is a piece of paper. The answer is office form. Second one is functional organization / formal organization is a type of organization. The answer is functional organization. Office work / accommodation is a paperwork. The answer is office work is a paperwork. Next one is lighting / filing is an element of physical work environment. Here the answer is lighting. Administration / ethic is necessary for running a business. Here the answer is administration. Office / insurance is the lifeblood of any business organization. The answer is office is the lifeblood of any business organization. Office layout / office building is necessary for efficient workflow. The answer is office layout. Next one is stationary control. Office / office control is one of the basic functions of stationary controller. The answer is stationary control. Built-in furniture / executive furniture is vital for top managerial personnel. The right answer is executive furniture is vital for top managerial personnel. Next one is memorandum / office work is a paperwork. Office, here the answer is office work. Office work is productive or unproductive clerical work. Office work, it is a productive clerical work. Next one is Xerox / fax machine is a duplicating machine. The answer is Xerox machine. Sender / third party administrator is an important element in communication process. The answer is sender. Next one is line and staff / Grapevine organization is an important type of organization. Line and staff. Here the answer is line and staff organization. Effective physical work environment is essential for productive office work / stock market. Here the answer is office work. Office layout and office accommodation are same / different. They are two different things. Cupboard / lighting is one of the element of physical work environment. Here the answer is lighting. The last but not the least, it is delegation of authority / total quality management or TQM is an important element in office organization. The answer is delegation of authority. And I think it is enough for today's class, and you just try to understand these statements in the right way, then you will be able to answer your paper office organization and management. Thanks for today.